Hello interstellar everyone, welcome to class 11 biology. In this video we are going to discuss about nucleus and chromosomes. And this will be the last portion of our chapter, cell, the unit of life. After this we will start a new chapter. Okay, so when we talk about nucleus, it is very important. The prokaryotic cell, the eukaryotic cell ni para la khewa shedu sambala prokaryotic cell nalo la meyo the eukaryotic cell nalo la yo the kharre la wi na a well defined nucleus. Or eukaryotic la du sambala khala gore a true nucleus. A cell with the true nucleus is called as eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell lana khala gore a cell which lacks a well defined nucleus, which has got primitive nucleus, is called as prokaryotic cell. Right. The prokaryotic cell, the eukaryotic cell ni paragi distinction dikhare gitu the presence of nucleus. The nucleus la dikhare do it's a very important cell organelle within a eukaryotic cell. Right. And nucleus as a cell organelle, it was first described by this particular scientist Robert Brown in 1831. Chilo jekdo ye jesum soji lola Robert Brown la scientist tegi nucleus is described chel koigi. Now this nucleus as a cell membrane, it's a double membrane structure. Dinge dengazo mitochondria na ani khare chloroplast dige sangmala membrane ni yorla ba. Odito nucleus is also made up of nuclear membrane is also made up of two layers, right? Two membrane which run parallel, right? And membrane ni yo bena membrane ni parallel space yorwa. This space la khalla ora dela perinuclear space. Dinalo thongu do akiranzo. So this is the nucleus. Okay, so this is the nucleus. Nucleus envelope or nuclear envelope is made up of two nuclear membranes. These two nuclear membranes, they run parallel to each other, and between these two nuclear membranes there is a space called as perinuclear space. Now this nuclear membrane or this nuclear envelope, it does not run continuous, right? There are small pores present on the nuclear membrane. They are called as nuclear pores. The nuclear pore nuclear membrane ki function it separates cytoplasm from the inner content of the nucleus. Nucleus nalo yogi material da and cytoplasm nalo yogi content ni diki para la barrier dose form kharigi chigorla na nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope diki chigor. But pat kora che ya chala ya ma che mata orela na mare koi chala ya mata hai chido khare there are small pores called nuclear pores, and nuclear pores, it helps in the transfer of RNA and protein. Protein machilo taene ya nalo le inere ro RNA machilo taene ya nalo le ibenere dige sama khare gyuni dugore nuclear pore gi gyuche dugor cytoplasm nalo logorta cell nalo la nucleus orwa. So cell nalo le nucleus di nalo gi chala da ani cytoplasm ni gi parala wa dewa di khare gi chagor la bi nuclear pores gi chagor. So nuclear pore, it helps in the transfer of RNA and proteins. Now these nuclear pores, right, you can see over here these nuclear pores over here, right? So nuclear pore di danyam do ya khare yor la di chilo de la khare jar de na endoplasmic reticulum jar de chilo gi nuclear membrane double membrane rela ro nanglo the chilo yor nanglo the chilo di ga la khare yor la it is associated with khare endomembrane system gi also khare we have endoplasmic reticulum, especially rough endoplasmic reticulum diga thongdo. So nuclear membrane is associated, it's closely associated with rough endoplasmic reticulum. De chilo de thongdo seo chungso ta nucleus nanglo ya droba imbai na ta kesi cytoplasm ya nanglo ju chero nucleus nanglo droba imbai na nucleus nanglo yo gi matrix chimde the nuclear matrix, it is also called as nucleoplasm. Chilo la cytoplasm ro cell gi cytoplasm ro nucleus nanglo yo gi liquid like material de la khala ora la imbai na nuclear matrix ye lag re ya mena nucleoplasm ge lag re, it is also called as nucleoplasm. And now this nucleoplasm, inside the nucleoplasm there are two contents, khare chromatin and nucleolus. So nucleus nanglo la nucleoplasm che nucleoplasm nanglo la khare ore chromatin and nucleolus. Ta din nanglo la se bai imbai na nucleolus tikhan ste sigidwa. And then din nanglo dinde dose to the chromosomes. I have shown you a separate diagram over here, right? So these thread like structures, they are chromatin. So nucleolus la dikhare la women, it's a site of active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Nucleolus la gisaja dela nucleus nanglo la khari suego la women ribosomal RNA suego chilo la doni ribosomes construct chega ji ki RNA yoro ribonucleic acid synthesis chesa di so dikhawa cha ore la women nucleolus la de chawor nucleolus seo chung so and chromatin la de means thangbu su ter la we mana scientist Fleming la de ter right the chromatin name was given by Fleming and it was given to the material in the nucleus which is stained by basic dyes you see nucleus the stain che we mana if you use basic dyes acidic dye marta basic dye pheju che we mana you can see a thread like materials right thread like materials and that thread like materials is called as chromatin by Fleming a thread like material dikhare la we mana molecule ge che we mana they are nucleoproteins these thread like molecules they are nucleoproteins means it is formed by association between deoxyribonucleic acids and histone proteins so these thread like structures which is present within the nucleolus they are called as chromatin and the name was given by Fleming okay so we will move forward now the nucleus shape thanga 이게 상마 만다요 cell gashe nanglo nucleus yo khormare penacha shawin baina manzuki mature RBC erythrocyte our mature RBC or erythrocyte it does not contain any nucleus mewachar so it is enucleated means a cell without nucleus and then there are multinucleated cells la cell chig nanglo nucleus chigle manga yo bimna ni sumin yo bimna unko harcha dure multinucleated cells for example giant cells they have got lots and lots of nucleus within it and then the shape of the nucleus also varies for example if you look at our white blood cell nanglo leukocyte nanglo la we have got these polymorphonuclear leukocytes you can see all these are nucleocytes and inside the leukocytes you can see the nucleus are of different shapes ashe horseshoe shaped do yore ashe dodo phazu khathor de do yore so these leukocytes they are called as polymorphonuclear leukocytes these are all white blood cells but most other cells they contain only one nucleus cell mangche nanglola nucleus chik che do yor whereas there are special cases where such as RBC it does not contain any nucleus plant cells nanglo ke chasha wi bana sieve cells right sieve tube cells anjuki water yama contact chinge dan yorwa tezu nanglola they don't have nucleus yomare and for this one multinucleated lash to multinucleated den so khare cell chig nanglo nucleus chig le manga yo bim bana ani polymorphonuclear la example cell nanglo la nucleus shape manda yo poly la na mangbo la or morpho la na sota la or and nucleus ki sota mangbo yo gi ro sota manda mangbo yo gi cell leukocytes te jo so diche now tang azu del thiwa jorda each human cell each human cell has about cell rare in each of our cell it contains about 2 meters of DNA cell rare DNA meter ni yor DNA ganza ma dusnar wa imba ko meter ni yor and nucleus ki diameter khazure cell chi nucleus ki diameter di khazure la wa only 2 micrometers so the question is how such long DNA or 2 meters long DNA is packaged within such a small nucleus of only 2 micrometers nucleus 2 micrometers mado yo mare DNA ki ringze dikhajo 2 meters yor in zambala thiwa khartango orla we mena DNA ringbu dinde nucleus chunju nala khandes ma shongo how is it packaged that is in chungi chude be khechim bur danya thanda nekiran zula shagyoda this particular thing the answer for this particular question is pretty important in your class 12 syllabus as well right now such a lengthy DNA within a cell it is packaged within a tiny nucleus in its chromosomal form right chromosomal form now package chinishar ta penishashana di DNA da this is only DNA madus mannar wa imbana ho hajo lare 2 meter yor larwa so this is just simply a DNA double helix model we have studied about DNA before now this DNA it is coiled around these proteins yellow dostongo da seu dige sama khare these are proteins and these proteins are called as histone proteins these are positively charged proteins DNA negatively charged histones are positively charged proteins so negative the positive khachire kunyi ni chargro di basonza DNA it coils itself around these histone complexes histone dinde dodori dinde ge de ya jarni ro ni dodo complex chi chagro ani dil khachi gore DNA thida the gor so histone octamer gala DNA thida thigdo it coils around these histone octamers these dogdo dinde chila dogdo dinde chila ngazu khala re la win ba na nucleosome lag dinde dogdo re la ngazu khala wore nucleosome re ta nucleosome mangbu form chegyo jo marwe dinde gi khari form chigre la win ba na chromatin la de form chig ta ngazu thaji sig jo fleming gi sig name chamber wa structure jile ming sta yo di khala wore chromatin chromatin di khari gi dubsha gyo to DNA coiled around histone proteins right which forms nucleosomes mangbu yo structure to di la ngazu khala wore chromatin la wore the chromatin fiber jo marwe chromatin ka ji ta thread do structure chawro the super coil chawi bana if it coils again and again just like ngazu gi polypeptide chain di tabzi the je ko khare complex 3-dimensional structure ro chawyo di nangshi chromatin fiber di tabzi the je super coil chain ni complex structure di khari cha do gore la yin bana chromosome la di chawo seu chung so this particular structure it keeps coiling over and over again to form a complex structure called as chromosome ta seu chung so ngazu DNA ni ya gozur da DNA histone protein la thida the khar cha do gore nucleosome gi chain do chagdo nucleosome mangbu yo chain de la ngazu khala gore chromatin fiber la gore chromatin la gore chromatin di yangya ko bat kora de coil cha che ro condense cha che ko khachi ro do chung ro da sobda ro ko tight pack cha ro so tight pack cha ro zambala an khar cha ro last la khar cha ro chromosome la structure de cha ro yo chung so diche here is another diagram chromosome la cha dang min de DNA the histone protein gal thida thenin khar chi gore chromosome cha ro adi remo de nal ya khar chik se o te ro la na ro kiran zo din nang lo la X shape dose tingu da nam gi chromosome de khandes represent chi la X shape dose la represent chi do themba nya go khare la win ba na X shape nang lo gi di da di ni logar da chromosome re da so this is one chromosome but here you can see two different structures over here which is joined around the middle ro ke ban ni dus char de ro ko de do di do sujo side de la ngazo khalla or it is called as chromatid di jo phajo side de yo de khare chromatid so these are sister chromatids kuni ni del jar de do ikhare two sister chromatids ni jar ni khar cha do gore chromosomes cha do tatsik mara khazu chas chromatin right chromatids and then chromosome chromatids and chromosome that is seo yago tema nyama do ojo so ta chromatid ni di jar sa jmin de keba chil jar yo la sa keba jar sa de la ngazu khar la gore la win ba na centromere now we are discussing about chromosomal structures right chromosome chadang di seu chung so the chromosome dinde do ji yobi mana x shape do ji yobi mana x shape gi yuba re de la ngazu khala wore chromatids la wor la so de chromatid chik do chromatid ni di jarsa jo mare kima de la di la ngazu khar la wore centromere it's like a constriction seu chung so centromere now based upon the location of centromere right now based upon the location of centromere there are different types of chromosomes we will discuss later the centromere la no there this is the region of centromere the remove this manda rosten do din lo la from the chromatid chick de chromatid tinini khawla jar de yorela na keba dos thila jar de de ken keba thi de khardo depression dos to nang lo constriction dos sirsha gyo dos to dilanga zo kharla gore centromere region la wor centromere region la dinenga chimbu da centromere region gichilo de la de seu dos timide di khare it is called as kinetochore this is very important right centromere gi the region de la centromere gi region gala protein complex chore dilanga zo khala gore kinetochore la wor kinetochore ni khechum la wor khajin la when we study about cell division ka du kharchi gore sister chromatid ni di loga so go gore we have to separate these two sister chromatids chromatid ni di kharchi re ko ni loga thenge de su theng gore spindle fibers spindle apparatus ki thengro spindle apparatus khensaj gore hook da ma sona spindle apparatus jarsaj go mare jarsa di khol jar gore la wen bana kinetochore la sa del jar gore di chini kinetochore la di khechum bur yo so kinetochore ga la spindle apparatus jar ani khuni opposite pole la pha thedu zambala sister chromatid ni je des de de ro khuni khaji gore loga so sho separate chi gore seu chung so right now diche agiranzo dinalo la ni khala so thanji centromere gi location ga la shisha ni chromosome la rigma da khazu yore shi thamba yote there are 4 different types of chromosomes based upon the location of centromere the centromere la jo mare the primary constriction jo ro constriction di khawala yume position khawala yume chromosome gala position khawala yume gala shishani there are 4 different types of chromosomes thangbo dikha raha hai metacentric chromosome jo side de larga metacentric chromosome means the centromere is right at the middle of the chromosome kima tagdal yor chromosome ki tagdal di indu zambala kunini gi upper dela chikdo arm chikdo wala lower arms to kunini gi length chikwa charu so da dela p arm da q arm lan ti do so p arm da q arm ni gi length khar charu gore chikwa charu ta kisi centromere di kima tagdal mewa che it is let's say it is slightly above or below ro slightly away from the middle imba ina ani ko khar charu gore submetacentric chromosome dikhare metacentric chromosome re dikhare submetacentric chromosome. Now this submetacentric chromosome, since it has got centromere slightly away from the middle, it has got 2 different arms, a short arm and a long arm. Arm thunga chida arm ringa chidwa arm thunga dilanga zo khar lagre p arm lagre this is called as the p arm. Arm ringa dilanga zo khar lagre the long arm is called as the q arm. So chungse kunini parala ringze khewashosa dinyala ringze ni chikbar the p arm the q arm ni ringze chikbar but here the p arm is shorter and the q arm is longer. So by convention by digzu khorangi ming ta da ene khariore acrocentric chromosome. Acrocentric chromosome nanglola the centromere it is close to the end of the chromosome. Centromere dikhaje do pet kor ya gang gang pet top la males for the drodwa close to its end. So such chromosome is called as acrocentric chromosome. Acrocentric chromosome nanglola centromere di end til yo sonza kunini paragi difference jo marwe p arm the q arm ni paragi length ki difference jo peshuk chumbu yor p arm is very small whereas the q arm is very long right mismatch cha so tinde do nga zo khala gore acrocentric chromosome. And then there is telocentric chromosome. In telocentric chromosome the centromere is at the terminal region of the chromosome ki ba end khora layer dila nga zo khala gore telocentric chromosome. This is not found in human beings. So human beings nanglola chromosome 23 pairs yore 23 pairs nanglola telocentric chromosome yo mares not in human beings. These are found in human beings. These 3 types are found in human beings. So we have got these 4 different types of chromosomes based upon the position of the centromere. Thus centromere lana ni khala so it is the constriction, it is the primary constriction at which the 2 chromatids are joined together. Now there can be secondary constrictions as well. For example, if you look in this particular diagram, you can see over here that this is the primary constriction, it is called as the centromere. Kima de la khala ore this chapter yosa de la khala ore primary constriction re kola centromere la ore primary constriction ma imbala surti wala constriction chinji yor yazula khala ore secondary constriction. Secondary constriction yo be imbaina secondary constriction yo be imbaina gang de la dogdo ro shagdo yazula ngazu khala ore satellites these are called as satellites. Otherwise these end parts are called as telomeres. The kima de la centromere che sheba ngazu suru de zula ngazu khale re telomeres lange isi telomeres ki gangs de wajila secondary constriction yo bi imba na and telomere region di khar chadu re satellites chadu se chungso ta telomere la de nyanga chumbu da shuma kiran zo theory ji khodo hor pe hypothesis ji khodo ho bere. You may hear about this particular hypothesis which says that anju kedu zambala anju cell nanglo gi telomere di ringbu pe yore la telomere gi length choro ringbu yores as we age anju ya gengo charu du zambala as we age anju lo cher du zambala telomere gi ringze de thong du gore la telomere gi ringze de thong du zambala ani anju gengo chan thong du gore sa the cells are getting old. I don't know how true is that particular hypothesis, but it is a scientific explanation of aging. It is one of the theory for aging. Aging chedulani that was proposed chesha yojire. Telomere length thong du because it is observable, right? Pugu chinju kedu zambala telomere cell gi nanglo le jo chromosome gi telomere chambo yore lo ge cher du zambala ko kharchi gore lo ge du zambala telomere thong du gore. So kiranzo dikologic loda. See what you find for this particular information, right? So telomere la end region de la chromosome ke end region de la so this is about nucleus and chromosomes, right? Kiranzo textbook na lo leta diagram de seu me was onza ni kiranzo dige diagram dige ter so now with this we have come to the end of this chapter, cell the unit of life. Next we will discuss about cell cycle and cell division. the chapter number 10 cell cycle and cell division diary ko zo the next video de cell cycle the cell division na lo le kira da zere chunju gab da jang da nyu yure but it is about cell division mitosis the meiosis la ti ka ma cha ya okay so read about that particular chapter before you watch the next video